Yeah, this thing is just for an assault is no better than a medium, and you can equip mediums better than it.
How fast do you go on that thing?
Oh, you talking to me? Ah, this thing goes to what, 54 kilometers an hour?
Faster than 54. Sucker.
Fuel at 25%.
You're the one that can speed by it.
I mean, for all intents and purposes, the battle pass makes it worth the money that you spend, but this mech is just frustrating.
Sweet Jesus Christ, did not see that.
A lot of grind, I couldn't take it anymore.
They're about D5, E5-ish.
I feel like I was letting the team down piloting that piece of junk.
Well, it's not a brawler, it's not a sniper, it doesn't really have, like, anything it's good at, it's just there.
If its hard points or its shoulders were higher, it could definitely be a good, like, sniper. But it's so low that you can't get a good shot off without exposing yourself too much.
This is true.
Which is why the Fafnir comes in and it's like, yeah.
Target spotted.
Target acquired.
Yeah, in the tunnel, if y'all want to wait up, I got the Fafnir here, I'm going in.
New target acquired.
Target spotted.
Stay behind me, because I'm not
New
stopping.
target
Well,
acquired.
they got a Fafnir too, so...
New target acquired.
Push, man, not stopping. Push, 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 push.
I'm gonna go down, you guys better do something!
New target acquired.
They've destroyed Alpha. Let's push this back. We can't let them take control.
Heat level critical. New target acquired. New target acquired. New target acquired. New target acquired. Heat level critical. New target acquired. New target acquired. Target destroyed. New target acquired. Target destroyed. New target acquired. Target acquired.
Target spotted.
New target acquired. Heat level critical. Heat level critical.
Yo, why are you running stealth armor with SRMs and you're on medium?
New target acquired.
So I could get it close without
Heat
enough.
level critical. New target acquired. Heat level critical. Heat level critical. Override engaged. New target acquired. Heat level critical. Target destroyed. LRM
Here's the
ammo at
technical.
25%. Target destroyed.
Well, the thing is, if you have your stealth armor in when you're in attack mode like that, you build up heat really quickly and you run the risk of overheating. So you have to deactivate the
We
stealth.
held the zone
Target
for
acquired.
25%.
Is that right? Stealth
Target spotted.
armor generate more
New
heat?
target
Roger
acquired.
that. I mean, you build up heat quickly and it dissipates very slowly. I mean, that heat pulse goes down very, very slow. As soon as you take that stealth armor off, you watch the heat drop really quickly.
I didn't
It's
know
just
that.
like, yeah, it's just like a penalty for having it's like an added penalty, really.
Yeah, you just use that
Halfway
stealth armor, to get in close, without being detected, and then you take it off when you go into attack mode.
Oh, thanks. I learned something today.
Also, it's good to have if you happen to be like the last guy, and you got like 10 or 11 minutes looking for you, and they can't track you. You got your stealth armor on, so
I guess
I think that's helpful then.
Heat level critical. Override shutdown. Override shutdown. Center torso critical.
I don't have a heat problem, so I never noticed.
Well, the one thing about ballistic weapons, especially like the gauze, is they don't really generate a lot of heat to begin with. But if you had like
Fuel at 25%.
running stealth, you would just see that heat fly and dissipate slowly. So, I mean, with the ballistics, it's pretty steady, but anything that really generates a lot of heat, the stealth armor
Target destroyed.
it's best to deactivate it when you get into a battle and put it back on again if you like to leave or something like that, and you're trying to be tracked.
Well,
Fueled at
Warriors, you have
25%.
taken the target. We are victorious in battle.
GG guys, good game.
That was close.
Yes, it was. It was a good game though.